do it.
Today's special report, National News remembers our dear colleague and friend, Russell Westbrook, who sadly passed away last week during what was supposed to be a routine interview for this very format. Dramatic scenes in Rome as thousands protest outside the latest G20 summit. Things heat up drastically inside the venue. Reports suggest physical altercations between numerous heads of states. Our correspondent, Tina Clark, is at the scene right now with the latest news.
Thank you, Terry. Reports are still unclear, but it appears the scuffle broke out during a panel discussing control over the Angel engine, with 7 world leaders allegedly having taken part in the altercation. We are currently waiting for the specific details to surface. In the meantime, I would like to draw attention to the crowd behind me. As you can see, thousands have gathered here in protest of the Angel engine, demanding stricter regulations regarding its usage and the development of new technologies adjacent to Dr. Jeff Ernstman's miracle machine. Among other reasons, the untimely passing of our dear friend and colleague Russell Westbrook seems to have been a prime catalyst for this mass uprising, with the hashtag Justice for Russell having amassed over 20 million posts in its first few days. Public outrage surged even higher after the host nation, Italy, revealed it will be employing the Angel engine core, the very technology that ended the life of our friend, as a security measure at the G20 summit.
Please get back. Don't